It's unreal time.
Did you know you can save custom camera views in the viewport? It's easy and super helpful for jumping back to specific perspectives. To save a view, hold down Control and press any number from 1 to 0 on your keyboard. For example, press Control plus 1 to save your current view under the number 1. Now Control plus 2. For this view, Control plus 3, and so on. Then, whenever you want to return to your saved views, just press the corresponding number key. Press 1 to jump back to the Control 1 saved view, 2 for the second, 3 for the third view saved. You got the idea. This is especially useful for working on detailed areas, like setting up specific shots or focusing on different parts of your scene while building it. And here's the best part. These saved camera views are stored across sessions. Even if you close Unreal and come back the next day or next week, your saved angles will still be there ready to go. Try it out. It's easy to use and will save you a lot of time.
Oh, wow. Look at the time.
It's unreal time. Create it your way.
Follow for more.
To make it your line. Just speak and play.